Hello lovelies, how are we doing today? Welcome once more to my channel. This is Evangel Recipes and Family, and today we're going to be making something very delicious. It's a common snack in Nigeria. It's a very simple and everyday snack in Nigeria. It's called Nigerian Buns, and this snack is made out of flour. Yes, I have inside here, I have about 500 grams of flour. I have already added about half teaspoonful of salt, half cup of sugar, and 3/4 tablespoonful of baking powder. So right now I've already whisked the powdery ingredients together. So what I'm going to do, I just make a little pit here, and then I have 100 grams of unsalted butter. I'm going to be adding that. Then I'll go ahead and mix. I just want it to be like breadcrumbs. So this is exactly what I want, for it to look like breadcrumbs. It gives a better taste and a better mixture. So after doing this, the next thing I want to do is to add my egg. Inside here, I have 2 medium-sized eggs. Both the egg and the egg white and the yolk, everything is in here. And I have about 3/4 cup of fresh milk, fresh pasteurized milk. Personally, I don't like adding water, so I'm going to be monitoring it. If the milk is not enough, I will add more milk than adding water. So at this time, I have half cup of milk, so I'm going to be adding in bits. I don't want to add water, guys, but you can use water if you want. I'll add more milk. This is exactly the consistency I want. So right now I'm going to be setting it aside and allowing it to sit for like 10-15 minutes before I start frying. Yes, lovelies, this is exactly 15 minutes after our dough was ready. Now we want to start frying. I dip my hand in oil so that it doesn't stick so much. You can see our oil is not ready for fry. If it's ready, you will see the sizzling, and then it will come right up. So wait a little more. Yes, I think I am ready to start putting in the dough. So I have just little oil here to grease my finger so that it doesn't stick so much. This is our dough. This is the consistency you want. You don't want it to be like puff puff. You don't want it to be so soft like puff puff, and you don't want it to be so firm like that of chin chin. So I'll dip my hand in the oil and then I take. If it's becoming sticky, just dip your hand in the oil and continue. If the oil is becoming so hot, you reduce the heat. Just gently turn it. It should be deep frying. You keep rolling them over so that it will evenly. Wow, you see how they are popping up? That's because we use cold milk, cold egg, and all the rest of them. That's why they are popping like this, and they'll be so crunchy.